So Santa's gonna slide a cool 3D printer under the tree for your little elf this holiday season. But you get to fill the stockings that take that cool gift and turn it into a glorious gadget. Oh, and hey Santa, if you haven't got that cool gift yet, you can check out our top 5 3D printers for kids this holiday season. All right, elves, get your cocoa, get your candy canes, and let's get into it. All right, the first thing to put in the stocking this holiday season, and the only thing that your printer wants wrapped around it, is filament. Specifically, we're choosing SUNLU PLA this holiday season, and Rainbow number 3 is the variant that we're choosing. It's really got that candy cane vibe. It goes from pink to white to purple and then back again. Got good color blend transitions, and some other colors that would be helpful for parents or Santa who's delivering the filament. It's gonna be white, black, and green because Minecraft and dragons are super popular this season. And hey, if you're curious on what this dragon is made out of, because it's really cool color transitions, we used iBoss PLA to make this glow in the dark. We'll put a link in the description for Amazon so you can get some there. Also, if you want to know some cool dragon 3D prints to do with your kids this holiday season, check out the video here. SUNLU Rainbow number 3, North Pole approved. Look at this stuff. If Santa himself had preferred filament, I'm convinced it would be SUNLU Rainbow number 3. The elves will be running this stuff through their printers like a candy cane assembly line. And hey, if you want to grab a spool for your own holiday workshop, make sure you use our affiliate code BeGlorious to save a little and support the channel at the same time. All right, hang on to your hats, elves. That's the first stocking stuffer. Let's go see what number 2 is. Frozen, but functional. Next up in Santa's workshop is the coolest thing that's not the North Pole. We have the build plates by BQ, we have the Glacier, and Frostbite, where every print gets a chill before it pops. Let's go see why these are so cool this holiday season. Why should you get one of these for your printer or for the maker in your life? Simple. They make your prints stick when they're supposed to, and they pop off when they're supposed to. No more scraper marks, no more chip builds, and no more bending your plate like you're trying to fold wrapping paper at 3 a.m. on Christmas Eve. Plus, first layer adhesion on PLA and PETG becomes so easy that even a brand new 3D printer can dial it in and perfect results. Just remember to choose the right plate dimension for your specific printer model. Can't find your size through our Amazon affiliate link below? Big Tree Tech's official website has an entire lineup waiting just for you. All right, elves, time to trade those hammers and glue for something a little more glorious this holiday season. This is the SUNLU 3D pen. Basically Santa's magic wand if you were into plastic and not cookies. It's perfect for kids, great for parents who need to patch prints on the fly, and it's absolutely glorious at using those leftover filament bits to bake something fun. Bring it in, I got a secret. Every time you draw a snowflake with this, somewhere an elf loses a cookie. And just remember, this isn't a candy cane, no matter how sweet it smells, and the tip of it is hotter than Mrs. Claus's hot cocoa. All right, let's go check it out. This is one of those accessories that's affordable, giftable, and always a hit. You don't need a whole printer farm to enjoy 3D making. You just need this little pen and a little bit of PLA. It heats fast, it feeds smoothly, and even if you've never touched a printer before, you'll be decorating your house with custom holiday doodles in minutes. And hey, what can I say? Yes, it's another SUNLU item, but when something works, it works. Mrs. Claus doesn't run out of cookie dough, and the only thing in Santa's workshop that's worse than running out of cookies is running out of filament mid-print. Got 100 grams of filament left over from last week's print? Don't throw it away, connect it. The SUNLU filament connector. We actually unboxed this little guy on a previous video. You can check that out here. And spoiler alert, he made the nice list. You know those tiny leftover bits of filament on the spool that are too short for a full print, but too long to throw away without crying? Yeah, SUNLU fixes that with this connector. Just clip the ends, slide them into this little tool, snap them together, and suddenly those scraps turn into a brand new holiday filament mashup ready for action. It's the thriftiest, happiest little gadget you didn't know you needed. And let's be honest, even Santa's elves have to use tools sometimes. Eventually, no matter how magical your printer is, you're gonna have to work on it. And when that day comes, you, as Rudolph, are gonna save Christmas. Kobalt 69-piece toolkit. We use this thing constantly, swapping nozzles, tightening bolts, and basically working on anything that wants to act grinchy. It's got a size for every bolt that we've ever come across, and trust me, we've come across a lot. So every tinkering elf needs one of these this holiday season. Let's go check out why. If you're getting your first printer this holiday season, or gifting one, pair it with this toolkit. Every new printer hits that moment where they need the right tool right now, and this kit saves you from tearing apart the junk drawer like you're searching for the last candy cane on Christmas Eve. Kobalt tools are built solid. You buy this once, and years from now, everything still works, everything still fits, everything still snaps into place like new. No loose tools rolling around, no missing bits, just a clean, dependable kit for all your 3D printing tune-ups. A quick reminder from all of us here at Glorious Geeks, take a moment this holiday season and spend some time with family. Make a family print night. Grab some hot cocoa, grab some candy canes, and see who can make the coolest ornament. Then click print. Let's get back to it. You know, it's officially the holidays when your workshop looks like Santa's toy factory after a snowstorm. That's why our final item is all about getting that chaos under control. This is a Skådis wall organizer, basically Santa's workshop upgrade kit. We've got these all over the studio. They hold our nozzles, our tools, our scrapers, and even all our filament. And they keep working like elves on caffeine. And if you want to see some of the basic things that you can print for all your tools, you can check out our video here. Alright, let's see where we can go find this IKEA stocking stuffer for your little elves workshop. The Skådis Pegboard from IKEA comes in black, white, and wood colors. We use these in the studio and at shows. Totally modular, super lightweight, and easy to mount. You can rearrange the accessories like ornaments on a Christmas tree. Hooks, bins, shelves, holders, all snapping right in wherever you want them. We built half our glorious Geeks workflow around the Skådis system. Now hold up, before you grab your hot cocoa and head on out, we got one more Santa surprise for you. The nozzle no clogger. This is our secret weapon here in the studio that helps with all our nozzle clogs. If this doesn't help, we gotta go into further troubleshooting. The no clogger tool is generally one of the best investments you can make in your 3D printing journey. It costs less than most stocking stuffers, and the reason you should buy it is simple. A clog nozzle is the #1 way your entire holiday printing schedule goes off the rails. One clog can waste hours of printing, ruin filament, destroy a nozzle, and derail the momentum when you're trying to finish dragon eggs, ornaments, and last-minute gifts. But with the no clogger tool, you heat the nozzle, insert the rod, clear the blockage, and you're back in action in seconds. No panic, no tools everywhere, no emergency shopping for replacement nozzles. For the price, this is the single most cost-effective form of a printer insurance you can buy. But hey, drop it in the comments below if you have any secret weapons for your workshop that you use for your 3D printers. Hit that like button. Don't forget to use that SUNLU filament code. And until next time, be glorious.